हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि था पार्ट बी का। कंसीडर द ग्रामर जी विच हैज़ द प्रोडक्शन ए बी डबल ए बी एंड द आंसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। जो यहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर्स है वो हमारे टर्मिनल से, और जो स्मॉल लेटर है वो हमारा नॉन टर्मिनल है अपने ग्रामर के हिसाब से। व्हाट इज़ द स्टार्ट सिंबल ऑफ जी? ऑप्शन ए 1, ऑप्शन बी ए, ऑप्शन सी बी, ऑप्शन डी 11। To determine the start symbol of grammar G, we need to identify the symbol on the left hand side of the production rules that is used to drive the entire language described by the grammar. Given the production rule of grammar G, A, L, B, double A, L, A, B, L, A, B, A. The start symbol of grammar G is typically the symbol from which the derivation of string in the language began. In many grammars, this is conventionally denoted as S. String को अपन S से denote करते हैं. The start symbol S. Looking at the provided production rule, we can identify that the start symbol of grammar G is A. The symbol A is the initial non-terminal symbols from the which the derivation process start. Therefore, A is the start symbol of grammar G. So the correct answer of the question, what is the start symbol of G, is A. Certainly, let's explain why the start symbol of grammar G is A. Using the provided option, the start symbol of grammar G is the non-terminal symbols from which the derivation of string in the language began. In the given grammar G, we can determine the start symbol by examining the production rule. Identify the symbol on the left hand side of the initial production. Given the production rule of the grammar G, A, L, L, B, double A, L, A, B, L, A, B, A. We start by identifying the non-terminal symbol that appear on left hand side of the production rule. The start symbol is the non-terminal symbols that is not derived from any other symbol in the grammar and serve as the starting point for driving string in the language. Looking at the production rule, a production A, L, A directly drive string starting with A, indicating that A is the start symbol. The other terminal symbols L and LA are derived from A through the production rule but do not serve as the initial starting point for driving string. Therefore, based on the structure of grammar G, we can conclude the start symbol is A. Now let's address the option provided. Option A 1. This option does not correspond to the value of symbols in the context of the grammar. It is not the start symbol. Option A is the correct start symbol of the grammar G. It is the non-terminal symbol from which the derivation process began. Option B. This is not a valid symbol in the context of grammar and does not represent the start symbol. Option D 1. This option does not correspond to the valid symbol in the context of this grammar. Therefore, explaining with the option, the correct start symbol of grammar G is A. This corresponds to option 2, which correctly identifies A as the start symbol of the grammar based on the given production rule and the structure of language defined by G. Thank you.